So finally, we are here with the man himself, Mr. Sanyal Desai, CEO of Radical Communication and brain behind this maiden international event of Woodtech Africa 2022. Let's hear what he has to say on this occasion.
Hello, Jumbo to all Kenyans and East Africans. As Krina said, this is our first maiden Woodtech Africa 2022. In fact, we wanted to launch this in 2020, but due to COVID, we could not do it. But finally, we are here and we are very excited. We have about 40 plus exhibitors from 8 plus countries. We have exhibitors from India, Turkey, Norway, Uganda, China, Egypt, and many more to come. Today is the first day. The opening has been very good, and we are looking forward to more number of visitors in next 2 days.
I think this is the way to go. Even as we talk about increasing our tree cover, we need to actually partner with people who have technology that is enhancing sustainability and recovery. Because we realize that we continually continue to consume and harvest trees. But as you harvest that, we must continue planting. But even as you're planting, whatever we harvest, we need to ensure we maximize on it 100%. And with these new technologies, there is no two way that will help us in recovery. So instead of using 3 trees, we find ourselves using 1 tree. Thank you.